Hi folks, Anthony.Salazar, Big Sal here from Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 Thor 4 Winds 25M. This one's on a 350 chassis, or 350 Ford. This is a really nice compact coach, got a lot of nice features. Let's go in and take a look at it. Okay, as we walk into the coach and look at the cockpit area, you notice this is on the new V8 platform from Ford. Really nice setup up here, nice cup holders, in-dash stereo with nav, and then you've got a nice big bunk up here with the television that's on an arm that'll swing around. There's USB ports on the side as well. And then as you come over to the galley area, you got a nice big farm sink kitchen, a 3-burner cooktop and an oven, microwave, the normal stuff, a good sized fridge, a little pull-out pantry. And then the real nice thing about this coach, you got another TV over there, of course, but you've got the bathroom in the back, which is nice, kind of gives it that separation. And then as you come back around in towards the living area, you've got a nice big couch, and that's where your Murphy bed is. And that bed will fold down really easily. And then you've got a nice dinette with storage drawers underneath, a big dinette, lots of windows, really a neat coach. Folks, if you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guarantee RV, please give me, Anthony.Salazar, Big Sal, a call. My cell number is 951-443-8323. Thank you.